Hey guys, this is Dan from CombativeAirsoft here for you today, November 2nd, 2009, with an unboxing video of a gun that came today. I told you guys about it, but did not tell you what gun it was. Pretty large package, so I'm assuming you guys can guess that it is a pistol. Alright, I'm gonna use the webcam here because I'll just show you the size of the package. Obviously a pistol. Alright. Glenn's gonna grab the knife and just take off the tape because I gotta hold the webcam. That works. Yep. Alright.
Oh, another layer.
Yay, another layer. Alright, we can finally see some box. Get this out of the way. There we go. Alright guys, I'm sure you can see that it is a Thompson M1A1 semi and fully automatic airsoft gun from CYMA. I got it for about $170 from Airsoftgi, and I think $3 shipping. But let's go ahead, get away the covering here. Try and bring it up on the desk. Little quick overview of the box here. Looks nice. Let's open it up. Ben's gonna unbox it while I hold the camera. Says from Airsoftgi, tested it, that it was shooting around 370 with 20 gram BBs. And here's the gun. We got imitation wood here, but full metal everything else.
Pretty heavy.
Yes, this is actually, whoa, this is really heavy. We got nice front and rear sights here. They are not adjustable. We have, sorry guys, trying to do this one hand. We have a, I believe it said 400 something round magazine, wind up high capacity. Don't know if you guys can see that, but the magazine is metal. Comes with a, let's see what size this is. 8.4 1100 million battery. And small connector. Probably gonna upgrade the battery. A tactical sling, which is about a greenish color. And obviously the wall charger. And some nice tasty treats.
Yummy.
We also have a cleaning rod, which is always good for those jams. And that's pretty much all for right now, guys. I'll have a review of this up soon. Sorry about the extremely horrible camera footage, but I was trying to do this with one hand, and I'm using the webcam. So we're probably gonna have the war videos up tonight or tomorrow, so expect those. We got a lot of footage, a lot of great footage, and see you guys next time.